Yay! I'm not lost anymore. Woo! Hey guys, Terry here from Leading the Hunt, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are lost in the forest. Oh, we're not really. The house is actually just behind me there. But for the sake of the video, we are lost in the forest. So, how to build a compass using the sun, a couple pieces of sticks, a couple stones if you want to, but it's a fun, easy process. And it really helps when the sun is high in the sky, around noon. I can't even tell you how many times I've been out walking in the forest and not really paying attention to my surroundings, not really knowing exactly where I'm going, and kind of got myself lost. And then looking at my compass or my GPS, I didn't trust it. I was like, no, I can't be where I think I am. And turns out I was actually did like a full loop and I was back where I started. But I had no idea, because obviously when you're coming from different directions, things look different. And if you're new to the forest or new to the area, it's not hard to get turned around and kind of lose where you are. So here's a quick way. If you don't have a compass on you, I would suggest that you should have one on you, especially if you're in a forest, you don't know where you are. But this is a quick way to make a compass. All right, first thing you need to know is that the sun comes up in the east. Pretty simple. Actually, this isn't my property, and I know, okay, that way's north. We're gonna see how close I am, if I'm right or not. But yeah, that way's north, that way's east, that way's west, that way's south. So let's make a compass. We'll make it here so that you could see how close I was to being right or wrong. I'm pretty sure that way is north though, because what you need is a nice clear area. You need a couple sticks, some small sticks or stones, and then you need the sun. Now the sun is behind some clouds today, but there's some patchy signs, so we should be fine. You have to know the sun comes up in the east, goes down in the west. And I'm pretty sure that way is north, that way's east, so that way's west. The sun's pretty high right now. It's around 12:30, 1 o'clock. So you don't have a really good idea of where the sun is moving. So I'm gonna get a couple sticks. We're gonna build it here, so that way you can see how close I was to getting it right. And I'll show you how it works. All right, the sun's about to come out. from behind those clouds. So let's see if I can get this set up before they come out. Okay, we got a couple smaller sticks, a bigger stick there, a couple longer sticks here. No! It's gonna beat me. Ready? I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. Get that away. Okay. So we got one stick in the ground. Long grass here. I'm gonna clear some of this around it. Oh, there's the sun. Okay. So we got one stick in the ground. And I'm gonna mark the end of the shadow with one of these sticks. Right here. Alright. So now what I do, get rid of this stuff. Okay, so there's my first stick here. So what happens is, as the sun travels in the sky east to west, the shadow is going to move from west to east. Okay, so you can think about it coming up in the morning in the east over here. Pretty sure I'm right. Over here, you know, it's going to cast a shadow on everything on this side of the tree or the house or whatever you're thinking about, right? Sun comes up in the east. That's our first marker. That should be the west marker. We'll see when I'm done. But it goes from east to west, and then the shadow's going to keep going, which means I need to clear more space that way, I think. So what you want to do, leave that mark in the ground, leave that stick in the ground, and then give it about 20 minutes. You know, the longer you wait, obviously the better, but give it a good, you know, 15, 20 minutes, and then mark the next spot on the shadow. So got nothing to do for the next 20 minutes. The extra sticks come in handy. You can do some whittling. Alright, we're gonna wait for the sun to come out again. Nice big cloud here. I don't know, 5 more minutes. Almost. Watch my stick. Don't kick my stick. Alright, here it comes. Find my shadow. Just a second. Come on, sun. Doesn't work on a cloudy day. Like full of clouds or rainy. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. You need the sun. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. I'm so excited. Okay, we got the sun. Here's my mark, or my shadow. Going right along here. You're gonna find the end, the very tip of the shadow. Or at least as close as you can to it. Nice if you've got a nice flat surface. Looks like it stops. Great. There's a little bump here, so it kind of gets lost. But right around here. Okay. Right around there. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to show you. Okay. So, now what we know is your first stick is always going to be your west. Because even as the sun is moving, the sun is up here, and this is your shot, or your where the sun is hitting. As the sun goes from east here to west, okay, so the shadow is always going to be moving east. So that means your first marker is west, your second marker is east, and like so. Which also means, if you take another stick, put it this way, you now have a compass. So you know you got east, south, west, and there's your north. Okay? I'd also like to point out that I was pretty darn close to suggesting north. So, we got north, east, south, west, and we got our directions. I'd show you on a compass, but I forgot one, which is bad. Don't do that. I knew I wasn't going far into the forest, and I'm actually on a trail here, so it wasn't a big deal, but you should always have a compass on you. And my other compass is actually on my phone, which I am currently recording with. So, can't show it to you to prove it to you, but you're just gonna have to trust me. Oh, so you guys found any value in this? Hit that like button. You know, subscribe. Leave me a comment down in the below if you know of another way of doing this. Maybe on a cloudy day. That'd be kind of cool, because I don't know one on a cloudy day other than, you know, just kind of knowing where I am, having a compass on me, or a GPS or something like that. I like the compass because it doesn't fail. What else? Ow! I just got scratched by something on the ground. What else? I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe. Ow. and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Oh. One other thought, if you are lost out in the forest, you do make this compass, smart thing to do is also leave your direction of travel for anyone looking. So I would leave an arrow pointing in the direction of travel that you went, something like that. Someone can look at that and say that's really man-made. It's very much, you know, it didn't just fall together, you know, out of the tree and land like that. Obviously someone made a compass here. And now I've got a direction of travel and I can say, okay, that person went that way. Yay! I'm not lost anymore. Woo! See you guys later.